What's up guys, welcome back. Episode 3 today of our STI build. We're gonna be taking Jerry's BB and drop off some parts to our body shop. In the meantime, it's so dirty right now. We're gonna go run through a car wash. Normally we would hand wash our cars, but because of off-road build, you know, we're gonna go through a car wash. The one that's not touchless, okay? The one that, you know, that has all the arms and everything's gonna mess with your paint. But anyway, it's okay, you know, it's meant for off-road. So we have our bumper, our new bumper. Jerry, let's open it up. And for those that don't know why we're getting a new bumper, our old bumper has some issues where we took the bumper off so many times, it doesn't fit as nice anymore, even for OEM, you know? Our hood is sold to Josh. I'll put his IG right here. So Josh is gonna go SEMA, and you'll probably see Josh's build in one of the build series coming up anytime this week. So it's gonna be super cool. And because we're going back to STI, you know, build, we're gonna go more of an OEM plus. So we're not gonna be rocking the sidewall hood anymore. But we are gonna be running our hood with the bulge, so. Jeez, you didn't expect it, huh? Why? You had to check if it's the right bumper, remember?
Well, we'll do a check right now.
Oh no.
It's the wrong one.
Oh no, Jerry, you might get the wrong bumper. Damn, new bumper, guys. So fresh. Stock bumper, this part, the tab is weakened because every time we remove, put it on, it gets damaged. So we're ahead and get a brand new bumper. I'm gonna be swapping the lower grille, the lip. So also gonna repaint the bottom lower 3 grille. Get a refresh again, make it look nice, you know, because this is a show car once in a while, you know. So yeah, today we're gonna go ahead. Jerry, I think we should see the bumper off right now. Yo, it's one last look, guys, at our Honda Civic. So, but I'm very excited to get rid of this bumper because every time we go to car meet or car show with a friend, like this always pops out. I'm like super OCD, you know. Oh, we actually have clips down there, Jerry. Here, Jerry, you gotta move.
No, that's you.
I can't reach, bro. I can't fit my hand out of here. I have to swap. Give me the camera. Give me the camera. Swap it out. Don't put this in.
Get back to work.
Camera, hurry up.
Get back to work.
Give me the camera, I'll vlog it. I finally did get a camera. Yo, comment below, guys, if you want me to do more POV style like this versus see my face all the time, because I'm tired of seeing my face too sometimes. Yeah.
I didn't tell you, but that plastic piece that you touched had piss on it.
Really?
Yeah.
Which one?
The bumper too.
How?
You weren't here, but I saw. I didn't know what happened.
We got the pieces off. I'm gonna go send these 3. Gonna redo a gloss black because we got so many rock chips from last time. So, and then take the new bumper.
Just run it like this.
Everywhere, bro. See, look at this. I'm calling you out one by one. Look at this.
I was gonna put it back.
Yeah.
I was gonna put it back. Yeah. Look at this.
You're always leave for it, guys. Put the window down. Close it. Put more. Take it more. Pull it more. Okay. Don't forget the back. Oh my goodness. Everything is loaded up. We are heading to our owner's body shop and we're gonna go ahead and drop off all these goodies.
Man, how nice of you to finally come in, bro. I was about to drive off.
Man. All right, guys, bumper is dropped off, lower trims are dropped off. I have a little secret for you guys later.
Whoa, shit, why you coming off so fast? Yeah. Oh shit, yo, stop. Stop, fool.
Hold on. I have a surprise for you guys that don't know. On the little girl, I did something really unique, so I'll show you guys when it's done. In the meantime, I want to go ahead and get the car dropped off to wash, and we're gonna head back to the shop, and Josh is gonna be waiting for us. All right, Jerry, what are we getting? Damn, should we get the
Platinum VIP?
Platinum V up there? Wrong price, bro. Like, you get the rainbow wash, wheel wash, undercarriage wash. Actually, no, $12 is good enough. That's all we need, right? Dude, I doubt we need the hot lava soap.
To complete your purchase, please insert cash or card.
All right, you're good to go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So guys, this is what we don't recommend, okay, at all, okay? If you have a car that you don't care about, take it here, okay? Because this place will f up your paint. Look, check the car in front of us. It got like dents and scratches everywhere. But whoever's gonna wash this car behind us right now is gonna get a bunch of dirt on the car. Poor, the Mustang behind us. Damn, poor Mustang. Is everything closed? Jerry, hey,
Everything's closed.
Jerry, hey, try that side.
You're funny, bro. Dude, stop trolling, bro.
Called the Swirl Master 6000. They give you all the swirls on your hood. Oh my God, the pain. These are called the noodle of death, man. Ooh.
It says driving, bro.
Huh?
It says drive.
It looks clean already, Jerry.
Pop the hood, pop this.
Dude, why would you pop all the wires and get it? It's pretty clean, look. It's not bad. It's so, oh my God, look at your pillar. Huh? It's still brown. I have a Joshua's car right here. If you guys seen his car once in our last video, we're doing a build series for his car. But before we start, we gotta change a couple things. He's getting ready for SEMA. He is running the side mount hood that's coming off our WX, gloss black S-style Fender Flares, our S-style grill, and that's pretty much it for his little updates. Me and Drew are gonna finish all these parts right now, and then we're gonna go over the build for you and go over all the mods. So see you guys in a bit. Okay, so our bumper is over there. Let me just show you guys since we're here. The bumper is currently primered already. So the differences from stock and primer, let me just show you guys right here. So this is stock material and primer. So stock doesn't really stick. Even though it's plastic with wrap, it's better to get everything primered. So the body shop already primer everything, and then the guys at Elite Wraps are gonna wrap the same color on the bumper. And we already added some new parts, which I'll just show you guys right now since I'm here. We redid the lower three pieces, but I trimmed the middle section right here, guys. So compared to the stock, it had the lines, so I trimmed it so we can show more of the front mount intercooler, which is also maybe a bad thing because cops will see and probably pull me over, knock on wood. And then we have a couple new pieces that I'm gonna put on later, show you guys. This is the rear tail light cover, the front bezel. Oh, let me just show you guys here. So for the fog light, we make overlays, but now we made this plastic piece that comes in red, white, and damn, it looks sick, huh? So this is more, you know, authentic, more better quality than just 3M, not 3M, but vinyl. So that's gonna go on. The tail light cover, same thing. Did I just scratch it? Just kidding, wrap it strong, guys. And stock hood. Where's my stock hood? Stock hood's over there. We sold our hood to Josh. I'm sure you guys seen the build series videos. And we have our S-style hood that Kevin then wrapped. We took out the mesh grill because I want to be a little bit more aggressive, you know? So that's that. So everything is pretty much prepped. I'll show you guys a sneak peek on this side. Crystal black silica flares. Just to change it up a little bit, you know? Like I said, the STI builds can be different. The wheels, we're still debating because the wheels we want, they're so narrow, they look like pencils on the back. Because our car is so aggressive, so much things going on, I feel like the stock STI wheels won't look good in my opinion, even with spacers, but we're still debating right now. Aside from that, we have some friends here today picking up Josh's stock hood. By the way, guys, this stock hood is so light
compared to the side mount hood. Look at this. It's really light. He said this will fit inside his car, and I was like, there's no way. So we're gonna find out if a stock hood will fit inside your 22 WX. There ain't no way.
Yeah.
There ain't no way.
There it is, bro.
I'm gonna.
Go ahead. Yeah.
There it is. It actually fits.
It fits, bro.
Now you know, guys, a stock hood. Wow, this is so practical. Let me show. Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
We have some, what are these called? Oil, coolant, brake fluid, and windshield fluid.
Right here.
Yeah, so these are just coming out, guys, some samples. So we're gonna give them out to a couple of our friends. This is going to Josh. This is going to this one. See, like the white, super sick. Look at this. So that's the current update right now. They're gonna head back to San Diego, but I'm just so surprised after you. Yeah, it's a 2-hour drive. Thanks for coming, bro, but I'm gonna leave this back in your seat. It's day 4 of the exterior build. It's been taking a long time, but as you can see right here, me and Jerry, actually just me, putting the flares on already.
And Jerry.
Yeah, you know, Jerry was eating a Subway sandwich, but I managed to get all the flares trimmed. I still prefer color match, but you know, people want to see like a different style, so here it is. Wheel-wise, like I said the other day, I don't feel like 8.5 might be too narrow, so we'll stick with these for now. I do have my eyes on another set of T37s with some fatter tires. That might be suffice, but I don't know if we're gonna run it yet. Still debating, but today we're gonna be putting on our stock hood with our Boge. So we have the owner here today, finally here today. Haven't seen him in like 3 months. He's been busy traveling and R&Ding some parts for us. So this is gonna come off, guys. So I don't really like this color. I feel like there's so many odd colors. Where do you find that, Jerry? Oh, by the way, all the Fender Flares, the clips, OEM clips are bad, so I ordered all new clips ready to go. We have some news too for Jerry's build, because Jerry's not even building anymore, to be honest. Jerry doesn't even want to drive it because it's complaining slow and whatnot. So the VB might get traded in for another car, and we'll come back to that later. Me and Jerry's gonna go back to the hood. Dude, it's too close, bro. It's not gonna look good. By the way, guys, this is probably the easiest way to take off this trim since we have this position right here. But I think it's an 8, Jerry, not a 10. It's 8, bro.
That's what I said.
You said 10. Jeez, this is so light. So let's bring the 2 over. Let me put these clips back.
Those are extra.
Okay. All right, let's go. So when we stopped over the sidebound hood a couple months back, we took the strut stopper right here that screws in here. It's on our sidebound hood right now, which is on Josh's car. So we need to contact Josh and get it back, or we can order another one from the dealer. So right now, this cart won't be supported by the strut. And shout out to Marcus right there, Elite Wraps, for finishing our bumper right now. Officially done, our new bumper. So if you need a wrap, guys, be sure to hit up Elite Wraps. Okay, we're putting our bezels. Wait, flares, bruh. Good. Jerry's a little bit LCD, so the hood is sitting a little bit too close to the right-hand side. So we're gonna adjust it a little bit. On the front lower part trim, okay, don't mind the bumper right now, it's not fully bolted on, but you can see the inner mount, the front mount intercooler is definitely more aggressive now. This is the next day. It's gonna be a really long video, guys, so for those still watching, we appreciate it. I picked up the grill from the shop the other day. We decided to go with the sports grill, versus the V2 Sports Grill. I think the V1 Sports Grill look a little better, but I think with the gloss black open mesh, I think it look different because we already ran the V2 already. So today we'll also be putting on the front V2 carbon lip and our new splitter, which we had our guys do a quick one. So our previous splitter, which is over there, it's a little bit short. It probably, I think we'll say about an inch, Jerry, or less. So it'll sit right here. So we had it extend out a little bit more because you guys in the comments just saying, hey, let's just run a more aggressive splitter. So this way, it'll look a lot better. We're also gonna be changing up the liner. If you notice, I took off the banner already. The white banner's gone. The side liners, let's just take it off now. Oh my God, so dusty. Jeez, so dirty. So this is going off. I also removed the trim under the mirror. We decided to go with red. Just cause, you know, I don't know why we're going with red, Jerry. Why are we going with red? I don't know, we decided to go with red cause oh, the sticker on the wheels. So the GT1 wheels have, okay, originally we're supposed to get wheels. We're still debating if we get wheels or not, okay? But we decided to go with the red trim. Just change it up a little bit, change it up. Yeah, me and Jerry are gonna go on put the lip, the new splitter. I'm gonna finish the front end and show you guys what it looks like. All right guys, also to note for it, if you do get the V1 Sports Grill, we do give you an emblem. It's not the OEM emblem, but it's like a black one. You can just put it like anywhere you want. You can put it here, put it here. I know the OEM one is like right in the center, but you can put it here if you want. And then you can get an overlay and that'll make it look. But to be honest, I think it looks cleaner without the emblem. So Jerry's gonna go ahead and screw in the top tapping screws in the back. And in the meantime, let's just take one last look. Oh, by the way, if you guys don't know, we got the plates, if the rest plates. And then we are also getting rid of this trunk because our wing, GT wing that we took off can't fit the STI wing because we originally said we were gonna put the STI wing on, but with this whole exposed, it look kind of ugly. So the guys are wrapping the STI wing right now, and we have our trunk ready. So it's almost there. I would say we're about 60% done. Performance-wise, it's gonna be in the next video. So stay tuned, it's gonna be a really fun video. Aside from that, cosmetically, I think we're like 90% there. But these wheels, I don't know guys. I think it looks great, but I'm just kind of tired of it too. I still think that color match looks better in my opinion right now. Maybe I'll get used to it, but this looks different, kind of aggressive, very aggressive. The front is officially done. We have installed our new V1 extended splitter with a red liner, and the front end looks amazing, especially with the sports grill. So I think we're pretty much done with the front end. As you can see, it looks pretty nice with the crystal black silica flares. I guess this will conclude this long video today. We are gonna finish the rear another day along with the new performance mods in the next video, guys. So hope you enjoyed today's content. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Sorry, you guys might think I'm holding the camera, but actually Jerry is. Yeah, in the next video, like I said, I want to go over the performance mods, which is our exhaust. We'll show them a sneak peek, and we have some headers by JD Muscle, a good friend of JD Muscle. So it's gonna be a really crazy video, guys. So, and I got some wheels. Earlier I was talking about I didn't get wheels, I ended up getting some wheels. So we'll see you in the next video, right? All right guys, catch you guys next time, peace.